Hello my fellow beauties, welcome back. My name is Tanya M and we're going to be doing another wig review, and today is going to be a throwback wig review. Hey, so throw on your old school music, okay, because we're bringing some wigs back that were popping at one point and they can always be popping, you know what I'm saying? You could buy her again and again. And I decided to buy the Sista Wig by Zury again because isn't this packaging beautiful? Like, let's pause for a second. This is pretty. The diva style that makes you a diva. All right. Yeah, so before we get into that, if you like this unit that I have on right now, please click the link below or above, right above here. I'm gonna enter the card and you can click it. It'll take you right to the review and you'll see exactly how you can purchase this one, because this one's very interesting. Anyway, so I decided to purchase the Sista Wig again because I bought her in Some RT Fuchsia at one point, and I love that color fuchsia, but it's not an everyday wear color. And also I had her for a long time and she sat into my bin, my hair bin. I'm trying to transfer those things out into bags because the bins, they get easily squished. So the style was kind of like, it didn't look right anymore because the curls got squished. So I decided to purchase her again, and this time I got her in a 1B. I tried to get the 2, it was sold out because y'all know I like my color 2s, but it was sold out. So along with the bag, it does come in a box, so I will be definitely saving the box this time to keep my unit in, that way it does not get ruined. All right, so let's open her up and we'll talk about the construction. I do have an old review of the Some RT Fuchsia in this wig, and I will definitely put a link above, again a card above, that way you can click to that and see how that color looks on brown skin. So she comes with her usual packaging. Save the nets also, girls. The nets is very much important. Okay, and the stuffing, we don't need that. You know what, you actually could save that and use that too to keep the wig together. Okay, so let's read off some of the stuff on the stock card. This is the stock card. This is how she looks on the model. She is a pre-tweezed part, and the most exciting part about this unit is that you do not have to cut the lace because it is a full cap unit with the lace parting. Y'all know about those lace partings though. They could have a line of demarcation, but if you go ahead and check out my other video, which I will link above again, because you know I got you, your girl got you covered. Okay ladies, so the cap construction, I forgot to tell y'all, it's a, like I said, it's a full cap unit with the lace parting. However, it does have your combs by the lace parting, a comb in the back with adjustable straps. I of course had my straps adjusted all the way. So this is how the hair looks without me combing out the curls. This is, I mean, you can tell there's a bunch of curls and layers in this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush her out, because I'm telling you, when these curls get brushed out, it is the bomb.com. It is so easy to brush out. This is a light yucky texture, however it is a very, very full wig. And but the whole thing with the fullness, it does not have the filler hairs. I don't know when or how the concept of filler hairs were created with the wig companies, but they need to let that go. They need to let it go. They do. So she is a light yucky texture. I do have my straps adjusted all the way, so I would definitely say this is big head friendly. And so as you can see, it does not have any lace, but the way it lays is fine. It is a pre-tweezed parting, so you do not have to go back in and add any or take any of the hair out. And it is a curved part. So, oh my gosh, look at that. Look how when it falls in your face, like this is, yeah, this is always going to be the wig. This wig is always going to be the clutch. This is the Diva wig. She is about 20 inches long. That's the longest layer. It is layered throughout. I'll turn around. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment down below, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because chances are you might miss my video when I post it if you want to notify about it. Okay, because I'm always posting new videos. All right, go ahead over to Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Follow me there. All the handles will be in the description box. I do follow back, so don't be scared to follow me and say hello. Bye.